Abstract at it again. I've got another teaser box opening for you guys. Actually, I've got two of them today. The next one's pretty exciting. I do stress this is not an unboxing. I am not unboxing things until I get all my pieces. And because of a KSI Mall third-party seller at Newegg, I have not gotten my power supply, and I cannot return it because he technically started shipping it, but the shipping hasn't changed since 2 days after the order. And then I started looking at reviews that I should have looked at beforehand, and long story short, power supply issues. I don't know when it's coming in. But that's the sad story. And I mentioned that in another video. This is a happy video where we get to see a little glimpse at some cool electronics. Not a full unboxing, but you get something. And first on the table, we have our dim sticks. 3,600 megabytes per second. I don't know, I've read that quad channel is a myth, but then I've also read that you should buy packs of 4. Anyway, I need 4 minimum. These are 16 gigs each. So that's 64 gigabytes of RAM. And I might actually be able to access it that fast, 3,600 megahertz, with my other equipment. I mean, maybe I have that all wrong. I don't know. I'm learning. But yep, got the RAM. 64 gigabits of RAM. On the laptop I'm editing this video on, I have 4 gigabytes of RAM. And 2 of them are taken up by Windows Essential items. And next on the list, we have a 6 terabyte external SSD. In case the 1 terabyte of internal memory storage is not enough. And plus, the fact that I'm making it out of a universal film case, I think 6 terabytes might just hold every Universal movie. But it is definitely in there. Looks like I figure it's supposed to look. Guess I could pop this one out a little more. It's an external one. SS. So that, maybe that's SATA power? I thought this was USB when I bought it. There's 12 volts for a little power supply that seems to come with it. Here. And then... oh, okay, a SATA to USB Or not SATA. I don't know. An SS. That shows how much of a noob I am, I guess. I have no idea. Let's see if we can zoom in on this. Look at that connection. It's like non-symmetric. But I mean, that's the cable I need to plug it into the computer, so everything's here. Beautiful. The RAM looks great. No problems there. That I could see anyway. Like I said, I can't test this stuff until I get a power supply. But, yeah, sorry, all of a sudden got kind of distracted. Yeah, we've got the external power supply. We've got the RAM. No need to pull that out yet until we get the computer. I mean, what would it show me? You know. So, there you have it. Abstract out.